I've always wanted to learn how to sew from quite a young age, but never quite got round to it. And then the time came where I had some spare time in the evening, so I decided to just go for it.
And so I thought, yes, I'm going to give this a try, and I might actually make something that I would like to wear.
It was a challenge from a friend, and sewing classes is what I chose to do.
It's basically the only time in the week that I can just sort of zone out and do something for me and do something creative, and I really love it.
So there are a good couple of hours just to spend time on yourself, just to enjoy some peace and quiet and to concentrate on something that you wouldn't normally do, and it's really quite good fun.
It's a very nice social environment. I think that's the way to describe it. It's all very relaxed. I find it relaxing as well. And so for all the teachers I've met, and I guess they're all about the same in that respect, they're all very helpful and all very friendly. And I find it an enjoyable experience.
I'm making a vintage style dress for myself.
So I am making a cardigan. I have just started. I've now got the pieces cut out.
So I'm making a surprise for my sister. She's having a baby, and I wanted to make something for her to snuggle up with the baby. And so I'm just doing that as a little present for her and the baby.